Activating your Capital One credit card is a straightforward process. Here's how to do it. Receive your card. Once you receive your Capital One credit card in the mail, it will usually come with a sticker or instructions on how to activate it. Visit the activation website. Most Capital One credit cards can be activated online. Visit the Capital One activation website, which is typically provided in the activation instructions. Enter card information. On the activation website, you will be asked to enter your credit card information. This may include a 16-digit card number, the card's expiration date, and the security code on the back of the card. Verify identity. To ensure security, you may also need to provide some personal information, such as your social security number or date of birth to verify your identity. Create online account. During the activation process, you may have the option to create an online account if you don't already have one. This allows you to manage your credit card online, view statements, and make payments. Agree to terms. Review and agree to the terms and conditions associated with your credit card. Submit activation. Once all required information is entered and verified, submit the activation request. Confirmation. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your card is now activated and ready for use.